Hello, you are welcome to Elyon Educational Consult. Today we'll be solving the question above. We are going to be drawing the isometric block above in isometric projection. So of course, if you are drawing an isometric projection, so we have to start by drawing the isometric axis first. So by projecting at angle 30 degrees. So I will quickly do that now. I will draw the isometric axis. So I'll draw a straight line that way, then draw a perpendicular line to it this way, like that. So at that point, this point here, I'll project at 30 degree. Project at 30 degree. Your set square must be placed this way at 30 degree. Taking note of this inner side. So draw that way, then come this way. This way. So this is my isometric axis. So I'm going to be using this isometric axis to develop the block. So let's just go looking at the dimension as stated above, as given above in the screen. So we are going this way now. So this side is 20, 10 plus 10. So I added the two 10 together. So this 20, then the other part here, which is 10. Okay, so we have that. So we are going to be drawing this vertical line upward. Going to be drawing that, and we'll ensure that it is perpendicular. So we have this drawn up. Then at the second point as well, we have this drawn up like that. Then the next thing we are given this side to be 15. So I'm going to measure 15, the first 15. So we'll be doing it one after the other that way. The first 15. So this is 1, this is 15. Okay, so that is 15. So I will draw a parallel line to that 15. So slide to this point like that. Okay, so we have that first 15. Then let's take the second one. The second one, 15 as 1.5 centimeter. So draw the same way. Okay, place this way, slide to it. That's parallel line to that second one. So we have that. Then finally, the last one there, 15. This is 15. You can use any of the line, any of the previous parallel line. I'm using this last one and slide to that. Okay, then we have this. Okay, so the next thing we are going to be doing, we have this side. If you look at the diagram, so we have this side as 10. So this side is 10, which is the same thing as the extreme end there, 10 as well. So we have that. This is our 10, this side. So we have 10 down as well. So you take the 10 down. This is my 10. So this is my 10. So I'm going to be drawing parallel line back like this. Okay, we just do it gradually, we build it gradually. Okay, so we have this thing here which is meeting this side. So very quickly, let me just draw out that. Okay, let's draw out this front view so that it will look exactly like what you want. So we have this way, this side. Let me thicken it up now. So we have this. Okay, I have this side taken out that way. We have this side. Okay, then we have this side. I hope it's becoming clearer now. We have this other side. Okay, then this other side. Okay, then we have this thing. This thing this way. Then this other thing that we drew out is 10 from the dimension. Then this other part, okay, then down. So we applying that. So you can see that that is the front there that we started with. So let's draw other part now. To draw other part, I'll just project my line. I'll project this way using this other side 30-degree projection line. So just place it this way. I'm going to slide my set square when I get to this part. Okay, when I get to this part, I'm going to draw. Okay, then the inner part like this. Draw, slide up again. Okay, so I'm drawing at the edges, then that's one as well. So we draw this way, so you can see that. Alright, so we are given this side, if you look at the diagram above, we are given this side to be 35. So I will measure my 3.5 from here. This is my 35 that way. Then we are going to have draw your parallel line to it. So all about isometric axis or isometric drawing is knowing how to draw your parallel line with your set square and your ruler. Okay, so you are going to get it. So you have it this way. Okay, alright, then from this side here is a straight line. You have a straight line which I can draw up. I can use this my baseline to draw the vertical line. Taking note of this place. Okay, it must be straight with this line. So I just move it to the point there. Okay, just move it to this point here. Okay, that is where we need it. That's where we need the line. That's exactly where we need the line. So at that point now, so I will just draw down like that. Okay, I hope you can see that now. Okay, alright, so let's bring out this top. Let's bring out this top so that it will be more clearer. This top, it will be more clearer. So I have this now. I have this other side. This. Okay, then this other side this way. This. Okay, now you see that is that way, then this side that is coming down, then this other side that is going this way. So I will use my set square to have that part. So I'll just follow any of my line, parallel line, and I'll draw that out now. So just slide until I get to this part. So draw the line that way. Hope you can see that now. So let's take out that part as well to make the object more sensible now. This way. Okay, you see that. Then we have this other part here. Okay, we have this part. We have this part now. Okay, now you see we are gradually getting there. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do, okay, we can finish up this part here. How do we get this part? It's very simple. All you just need to do this inner part. If you look at the diagram, we are just what we have in the given object as seen on the screen above. So I will just slide to this point here. Okay, so I can take that out this way. So you can see that complete view of that part. Then this side, which is going to be the length of this side, will be equivalent to this. But before that, we can draw a vertical line this way. Okay, a perpendicular line. I'll take note of this base here, then just adjust it to the point here to draw my vertical line. Okay, so you have that, we have that drawn out. Okay, so I will just this part, so we are not going to highlight this part because we have a triangular shape that is we are going to be drawing here. So we are going to be doing that now. Okay, to do that now, so we are going to take the measurement from this part here. The whole length here is equivalent to this, which is 35, and to this like that. So you can see that the base of the triangle there is given as 25. Then we have an extra part, okay, outside the triangle, beside the triangle, which is 5. So if you add that to that, that is 30, meaning that the remaining part here is 5. So all I just need to take from here, I'm going to be taking that 5 and the remaining part here, which is 5 by calculation. So that will give us 10. 5 plus that extra part, okay, outside there, so that is 10. So I'm going to be measuring 10 from this part. So I will take 10, which is 1 centimeter. So that is my 10. So I'll place my set square and my ruler together like this to slide. I will slide by drawing my parallel line. So I can just draw the parallel line out this way. Okay, we draw that out. So the next thing I'm going to do now, we take note where this touches this line now. Okay, touches this part at this point here. So take note very well, we are not going to be drawing a line because of the space that is given to us beside the triangle, which is 5, as you can see. So I'm going to measure the 5 by 0.5. I will measure that out. So this is my 0.5 now. So from that part now, I'm going to slide as well. Slide, put it this way. So we slide to it now. So you can now see where this 0.5, this is 5, this side also is 5. That is what makes the 10 I was talking about the other time. So where it touches this part of the object, so I'm going to be drawing a parallel line. So place our set square this way, then slide to the point, to this point here, okay, to that point here, to this point here. So I'm going to draw that way. So I hope you can see that. So this point here, where it touches that, okay. So from here now, from this part now, we are going to be taking our length where this line here of the 10, I hope you can get that, this 10 that I drew earlier, this space here 10, this line where it intersects with this part here. So I'm going to be taking length 20, because you can see the measurement of the upper part of the triangle as shown in the diagram. So it's 20, so this side also must be 20. So I'm going to measure 20 from that part now. I will take 20, that is 2 centimeters. So if this is my 20, this is my 20, 2 centimeters. I'll be drawing parallel line from that 20. So just place your set square this way and slide okay. So slide to that 20 that way. So we have it this way. So this is my 20, and the length here we are given as 25. So I will measure out the 25 now. I hope you are following. So I will measure out the 25. So my 25 will be from here. 25. That is 2.5, which is this. So this is my 2.5. So let me take out that part for easy view. So this part now, I can take out this part first. Okay. Move it that way. That 20. Then this other part, the 25. So we have this part now. So if you come to this top and we look at the question, the diagram at the top of the screen, we are given this side to be 5. Okay, so we are going to be considering that as well. So I'm going to measure 5 now. That's 0.5. So from that part also, I'm going to be drawing my parallel lines. Draw my parallel line to meet it. Okay, you can see that. So we have that part drawn. So it's from there I'm going to be taking the top of the triangle. So the next thing we're going to be considering this top here. So the total length here is 35. So I will divide this by 2. Okay, that will give me 17.5. That's 1.75. So 1.75 on this line now. I'll be measuring 1.75. So which is the middle. That's 1.7, this 1.5, 6, 7. This 1.5, 6, 7, and 5. This middle here. So we take note of that point. So from that point down, from that point, we're going to be joining this. We join that. I'm going to join this to the point. Okay, so we have it this way. Okay, so at this point now I'm going to be drawing parallel line, this parallel line here to it. So I will slide to the top of it this way, like this. Okay, then 20, measure out our 20 also. So this, the 20, so this will be joined with this part here, this 20 this way. Okay, then we have this part drawn out that way. Then finally this part will be joined to this part here. So I hope you can see that. Then let's finish it up by drawing this top, this part, then we come to this other part also. We link that up that way. We have the part now. Now there is a hole inside, and we are not given the dimension of that, so we can just take 0.5, 0.2, rather 0.2 all round, that is 2 millimeter. You can take 0.2 at all the side, 0.2. Like that. Then just draw this way. Okay, then we come to this other side. Okay, finally on this other side as well, slide until you get to that. Okay, so we have that. Then we can now take it out now and outline it from this part now. We draw it this way. Okay, and we draw this other part this way, and this one as well, this way, then the line inside. Okay, it should be parallel to this. And move it like this. So we have the complete view now. I hope you get it. I believe with constant practice you'll be able to do this. Thank you very much for staying tuned. See you in my next video.